So today I've been out in my garden and I picked some really good stuff. You see over here, and all of this was I started this probably about in October, and this is what I've gotten so far. It's more growing out there. A lot of tomatoes are growing, cucumbers. I'm not sure what this guy is, but I think it's a hybrid, kind of like a lemon cucumber. And the bell peppers came up today. They're so cute, so small, but so cute. And I got these guys peppers also. They grow really fast. But these are my herbs, my cilantro, my mint, my whatever that is, and some parsley here. I'm gonna let these dry out, put them on the back porch, and let them dry in the sun. Don't want to dry it too long because then it starts looking funny. But these are my herbs and stuff. So today I worked with a zucchini. This was that huge zucchini I had out in the backyard. I decided to stuff it, but I stuffed it with fish, with codfish. Here you see some carrots and some beans and other herbs. The secret to this is having good herbs in there to give you a seasoning. And this zucchini was so big, the skin was tough. So when I put it in, I put oil around the Reynolds wrap and a little bit of water just so that steam can just blow up in it and get this thing cooked. Probably in the oven for about 30 minutes on a real low temperature. And then I put this on top to seal it all up. So we got our zucchini stuffed with fish and fresh vegetables, and I use palm oil. This is better than regular oil. Palm oil comes from Africa, from the palm trees, red palm oil. They give it a good flavor also. So let's see what we got here. Oh, and you got to have some good wine. I have a red blend, really good wine. I feel like I'm on the cooking channel, but this is what I do in my spare time. Let's see what we got. Very, very good for this meal here. Now let's taste and see what we got here. It's got wild onions in it also, beans, fish, just a lot of really good stuff. Oh my God. This is freaking delicious. Oh, you gotta try it. So, guys, Facebook, all you chefs out there, Michael Short, the rest of you guys, you got some competition here. And this is 100% natural. It tastes good, it feels good, and it came from the garden. Chef Sir James Thornhill. Have a good Sunday.